Today we're going to tour a waterfront luxury property on Mercer Island.
Welcome to Waterfront Luxury Redefined, nestled on the prestigious north end of Mercer Island, where every moment feels like a retreat. This 17.95 million estate spans over 7,000 square feet on a lush 22,000 square foot lot, with 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and views that leave you speechless. From the moment you enter through the grand entry, you're greeted with warmth and intention. On your right, a custom fireplace anchors the living space, the kind of spot where you can curl up with a book on a quiet morning, or enjoy a glass of wine as the sun sets over the lake. And then there's this view. Imagine waking up to this every morning. City skyline, lakefront serenity all around. It's not just a window, it's your daily reminder to slow down and take it all in. This chef's kitchen is the perfect place to cook your favorite meal while guests gather around the island. Start your mornings here with coffee and calm, and your evenings with good conversation and candlelight, surrounded by craftsmanship, light, and peace. This isn't just a home, it's the setting for your next chapter. Now, let's take a look at the primary suite. It's like a private retreat with the same breathtaking views you'll never get tired of. There's plenty of closet space and storage. The spa-like bath offers a deep soaking tub where you can unwind at the end of the day. The spacious bathroom gives you room to move, breathe, and start every morning feeling calm, centered, and ready to take on whatever's ahead. Feeling overwhelmed? Step out onto your private deck, take in the view, and let the stress melt away. Here's another ensuite bedroom, ideal for a guest, your kiddo, or even a live-in nanny. It offers both privacy and direct access to the patio, where they can enjoy the same lake views. Now let's go to one of my favorite spots, the executive office in the house. Whether you're hosting clients, meeting with your team, or simply need a quiet space to focus, this room delivers. On one side, there's space for collaboration and conversation. On the other, a commanding executive desk. This is the perfect place to get focused, make decisions, and build your empire. And when summer hits, just step out onto the patio and take a dip in the pool. With sunshine, lake views, and space to breathe, this office isn't just for work, it's for living well. Next up is the rec room, a versatile space you can truly make your own. Set it up as a game room, a home theater, or even add a pool table for some friendly competition. And what I love the most about this house is that nearly every room down here opens right out to the patio, really blending the indoor comfort with easy outdoor access. Is perfect for entertaining, relaxing, or just enjoying the view. So, what do you think of this estate? Would you live here?